Okay, I think because it's a like quick live, and I know that I have not notified earlier, but it's a quick surprise, or I would say that a quick live on Sunday. But yeah, we can have some good updates for you, and then we will take some questions also if you have it from your side. Okay, I think I can see that few folks they've already joined. Let me know, guys, if you are able to hear me, if you are able to see me. My voice is clear. There is no issue with that. I hope all clear here. Okay, that's great. Okay, guys. So a quick update. First of all, that you must have already known about it. That the Locator Labs, we were able to download the Locator apps, and then we have launched the Locator apps, Locator Labs for the Playwright, Selenium, WebDriver, IO, Cypress, and the robot framework based locators. Right? It's a Chrome extension. Now the good news is that now you can download the desktop app also. Okay, on Windows machine, on Mac machine, and the Linux machine as well. Because a lot of people were complaining about that. Naveen, I'm working in the fintech, I'm working in the banking application. Then my company does not allow to use these Chrome extensions. So what is the solution over that? Do I need to take a special approval for that and everything? Although there is no special approval required as such from our side, because it's absolutely free of cost running in your local. There is no kind of like like we are stealing something from you, or there is no server, there is no backend in the Locator Labs Chrome extension. But still, companies restrict policies are available, especially with the uh, banking application like JP Morgan and these kind of companies. They have very strict policies that you cannot download any Chrome extension, doesn't matter it's verified or not. So we thought of having an idea that, okay, why don't we create something like a desktop app which is like already certified by Apple code review and Windows as well. Then in that case, we thought of coming with this idea. From last couple of weeks, I've been working on this particular desktop app. Now it's publicly available. Version 1.0 you can download from the locator-labs.com. So you can just simple download it on your Windows machine, Mac machine, absolutely free of cost. If you're using the Linux machine also, that also you can use it over there. So I just want to quickly give you a quick demo, and then let me know, are you able to download it? Are you facing any issues or something like this? We have launched with the Selenium and the Playwright, and then a lot of amazing things also we have added in upcoming releases. We will keep adding more and more features, like in the Chrome extension, it's like fully flash available, like with all the 5 different tools like WebDriver IO also we have added, Cypress also we have added. Very soon we will add the support for the Cypress robot framework and the WebDriver IO also in the desktop app. But in the Chrome extension, it's absolutely all the frameworks are absolutely working and properly working fine. People are loving it. There is amazing feedback. We got 5-star rating on the Chrome extension also there. Okay, so without wasting time, I won't take much time here. So let me just share my screen over here. Let me know if you are able to see that. I think it's visible over here, right? Let me just check that. Yeah. So the Locator Labs, now it's available on the Chrome extension. It's available on the desktop app also. When you click on, see the why Locator Labs, because obviously that these things we have already discussed about it. It will give you the best locator on the basis of the ranking. That it will give you the which one is a good locator, okay locator, fragile locator, or the best locator, along with the semantic role based extent also roles or based locators also it will give you, especially in the Playwright. And then multi-framework support that we are having it. You can generate the page objects also, flexible copy options. I'll tell you some amazing copy options also. Incognito mode support also we have added, shadow DOM, iframe, SVG elements, advanced DOM support, right? Smart locator generation. All those features are available here. But this is the major problem, that Chrome extension. Many organizations restrict the Chrome extension for the security reasons. No problem now. Download our standard desktop app and enjoy the same powerful feature without any browser restriction. This is like we are the first one who is going to release, or already released actually in the market, for the a combined tool desktop app here, which is giving you the right locators and the best locators plus the many other features as well, right? So available on the Windows machine, Mac machine, and the Linux, and perfect for the corporate environment. And guys, it's absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything, any fee for that. It will be free forever. It's not like in the beginning we are making it free and then later on it will be some licensing or some price will be there. No, it's not like that. It's absolutely free, It will be free forever. You will never see any kind of advertisement or any kind of malware or any kind of we are doing some advertisement on the app. It will never happen like that. It's free, and then start using it. Okay, so how to use that? Simple. Let's see, go to your download tab here, and then it's available with the Windows machine, Mac machine, Linux machine. But it's not like, okay, you cannot use a Chrome extension. It's up to you. You want to use Chrome extension, you are happy with the extension, go with that. If you want to use desktop app, go with that. Totally up to you. All the features are almost same, but in the first release of the desktop app, we have given the support for Selenium and the Playwright as of now. Very soon, in next couple of days, you will see the support for Cypress and other like WebDriver IO and the robot framework also here. So I'll show you in front of you. See this. This is what I'm going to download. This is the Mac OS. I'm using it. I'll show you in the Windows also. It supports Mac OS M1, M2, M3, and then Apple chip or any Intel chip that you're using it absolutely free of cost. Second thing is that, guys, the good news that these apps are certified by and notarized and having a very rigorous code review done by Apple, because Apple otherwise very strict about it. Apple otherwise will not allow you to release the app. Okay, so we have, that's why it took some time for us to get the approval from the Apple and everything. We have to get the certificate from the Apple that, okay, Apple actually scanned the entire code and everything, that are you using any fishy code or any malware or something like that. It's nothing like that. Finally we got the approval, and then that's why you are able to using this particular app on the Apple and Mac machine anywhere. So download for the Mac, you see that, okay, it's very lightweight. We have already downloaded. It's available here. I'm just going to open, let's see, in my somewhere over here. Let me just show you. Okay, see this. This is a .dmg file I have downloaded. We just need to install it. Normal DMG file that we install, and that's it. See this. I'm just going to move it to the applications folder, and that's it. Okay, after that, it will be just available. Go to your applications folder. So this is my applications folder, and go to the LocatorLabs. LocatorLabs PQRS. Okay, LMN. Okay, this one. Okay, this is a logo right now, and then you can see this, the more information about it, get info, and copyright by Naveen Automation Labs. And this is the universal app, which will work for any Mac machine. Same thing you can do for the Windows machine also. If you really want to use for the Windows, you can download the .exe, normal next, install, and that's it. No licensing, nothing. Okay, no need to restart the server, no environment variables, nothing. Start using it. Okay, so see this. I'm just going to launch this LocatorLabs over here, and then it will be launched here like this. I'll show you. It says it's a download from the internet. Are you sure you want to use it? It says that, okay, Chrome downloaded, and then Apple checked it, and for any malicious software, and none was detected. This is very, very important message for any app, and simple click on open here. So when I click on open, let me just show you here. 1 second. Actually, it's in my laptop. Let me just move it and drag it over here. And then it will look like this. You can maximize it. And this is the proper Locator Labs app, desktop app is available here. You can just simply see that, okay, right now we are supporting Playwright and Selenium. And this is the URL. By default, it will open the Locator Labs homepage. And then after that, if you really want to inspect any element, you can just simply inspect it. And then you will get the locators over here in this particular format like that. Okay. So you can just simply use it with the Selenium also, with the Playwright also. You can just simply maximize it. If you really want to maximize, you can just simply minimize it also. And then after that, you can just simply close it and open it again. You can easily do that here. Okay. So same thing with the Playwright, we are supporting Python and the JavaScript, TypeScript. With the Selenium, we are supporting Python and the Java. I'm not going to with each and every features that we have already discussed about it, and it's very simple app. You can just simply go and then start using it. You can just simply start using the locators. For example, let's see. For example, if I go to my let's go to a proper application. So let's see, I'll go to this particular application. You can open multiple tabs also. See, I'm opening multiple tabs because this is not the browser. This is the app, and inside the app, you can access your multiple tabs over here. So let's see, for example, I'm using this particular application where the registration form, and then I really want to locate the elements over here, right? So this is what, let me just little bit move it here as well. Just a second. Okay, perfect. Now it looks perfect. Okay, now see this. I'm going to, let's see, generate the Playwright based JavaScript based locator, start inspecting it. So inspection is also super fast, and see that first name, and then whatever the locator that you really want to use, you can use it here. So you see that, okay, all the semantic based roles, best one, get by role, get by label, ID, name, CSS, placeholder, class name, ID, XPath, name with XPath, OK with XPath, fragile. See, this is giving you the fragile. So it's not like, okay, you should use it, because we are giving a proper message over here that, okay, why you should not use it, because this is the absolute XPath or the position based XPath. Start avoiding it. If you really want to inspect, you can just simple inspect it from here as well, and then you can just simple try the things over here as well. So you can directly write test locator, and then whatever the locator is generating after that, if you really want to perform any action, see this number of varieties of options are coming in the suggestion drop down. See, all the playwright options are coming on this, and let's say I really want to use the fill option over here. What do you want to fill? Let's say I really want to fill Naveen. This is my first name, and then enter. You see that Naveen got entered over here, right? Another thing is that the copy locator. You see that we have added copy locator only, copy with variable, and copy with full statement, because this is what I personally felt that, okay, this feature should be there in this particular tool, because when we copy this or copy with the full statement, let's see, for example, I'm doing it, and then let me just show you with the, okay, see this here, how exactly it is generating the syntax. See, this is giving me a nice variable name, page.locator, along with the await, and it's doing the fill also, and whatever the value you want to fill, you can easily fill it over here, right? If you wanted, okay, no, I just want to use the locator, yes, you can use a locator also. Only locator also you want to copy and then simple use it in your script, you can use it here. You say, okay, no, I want to use, let's see, copy with the variable name. So only with the variable name without action, that also you can do it. So only with the variable name you can use it here, and see, it's giving you a meaningful variable name also here with the constant and everything. Page.get by role and everything is coming here like that. Same thing with the Selenium also, you can use it here. So same thing, if I show you, let's say I'll go to Selenium, and then let's start inspecting, let's see something like that. Let's see forgotten password. So you see that for Selenium, we don't have any semantic based roles, but you see that, okay, we have CSS selector, XPath, link text, class name, tag name, again, absolute XPath in the position XPath, but with the message. So this tool is not about only getting the locator, but it's also giving you the learning as well that, okay, why it's fragile, because it's a position based XPath or the absolute XPath. If you try to inspect, it is inspecting it. You see that, okay, red color border is coming, but you should not use this thing. Same thing. Let's see now, if I really want to use, let's see, by.link text. So I can use it here. I can inspect this guy. See, it's inspecting it over here. Is giving me one element found or any action that you really want to perform. So let's see, I really want to perform dot click here, and then press enter. It will click on forgotten password here. You see that forgotten password got clicked here, right? So that also you can easily do this here. Same thing, you can just copy the locators. See that I'm just going to copy the full statement here, and then go back to, let's see, my notepad or Sublime, and then I'm just going to paste it here. See this, it's giving me that, okay, this is a element, and then whatever the by.css selector that we have used, and then a.click, that you can use it here. Any locator, let's say you really want to use with the find element by.link text, again, copy this, copy full statement, you want to use it. So let's simple come back here and then paste it here. You see that meaningful name is coming, forgotten password link, and then this is a web element that we have created, and then simple dot click. So you don't need to worry about that, okay, which action and everything. This will save the time, this will save your productivity as well when you do the individual practice in Playwright and Selenium. I'm not talking about the framework. For framework also, I'll tell you what exactly you have to do it here. Plus, you can easily compare the syntax that, okay, how exactly the syntax will look like in the Playwright for the same locator, and how exactly it will look like in Selenium as well. You don't want to work with Selenium, you can uncheck it also, only Playwright. You can, okay, really want to work only with Selenium, you can uncheck this. If you want to work with both of them, you can use Playwright and Selenium, both you can add it here. In the Chrome extension, if you use it, we have 5 supports available: Playwright, Selenium, Cypress, WebDriver IO, and recently we have added a robot framework as well over there. Very soon it will be added in the desktop app also here. Okay, so that also we can easily do that. Let's try, let's see one more example. Let's see, there is an image. So you see that, okay, this is a logo image. And for the logo image, I see that, okay, yeah, see this very nice locator is coming here. That get by role, get by alt text, get by title, get by locator. Again, see, it says, okay, don't use the class because it's a okay ranking. Why? Class name could be changed. Tomorrow, developer can change, let's see, IMG responsive to some only IMG. So that's why this is very okay, or maybe the fragile over here, right? So avoid using it. If you really want to inspect, you can inspect that element also here. It's giving me the HTML XPath, I mean HTML path also of that particular locator. You say, okay, Naveen, then how should I, because this is a locator app, this is the kind of app, the desktop app, how should I watch or see the Chrome dev tools? That also we can easily do that. I just want to check, are you guys able to see me properly and all good, right? I just want to confirm once. Okay, all good, right? The screen size and everything, the font size and everything. Okay, now see this. So here, okay, that's good. Thank you. So let's see. I'll try one more inspect element. So let's say I'm going to inspect this particular search, and then you see that copy this locator directly from here, or copy with the variable or only locator. That also you can easily do that. I'll inspect that, and I really want to enter something. It's a playwright base, so it's not only for getting the locator, but for your learning also. That on this particular element, what kind of options that I'm having it here, right? So let's see. I simple say, let's see dot fill what? Let's see. I simple say search for MacBook. So see that MacBook got entered over here like that. Amazing feature. So you don't need to open the tool or Visual Studio Code. Before the tool itself, before the Visual Studio Code itself, you can verify, you can cross check this text field or this element or anything, I'm able to enter it or not, anything I'm able to interact with that element or not. Before using the tool, you can easily come and then check it over here. So this is what you can easily do that. Same thing with the Selenium also. All the methods, everything, you can check it. Anything, drop down and anything, whatever you want to use, you can easily use it here. Okay, this is just a first version, guys. 90% of the features are already available. Most of the features available already. 10% of the features very soon, in next couple of days we are going to release, and then it will be available there. Okay. Now, a couple of things. One more feature that I'll show you, the page locator, because a lot of people were asking, Naveen, do you have the page locator support? Yes, we were already having this page locator support in the Chrome extension also, but here also we have added here. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go to the registration page and let's try to inspect the first name here. Okay, see, there is a plus icon. Plus icon means, see, try to understand the philosophy of the page object model. Most of the tool, what they do, this is the whole page. Let's see, footer links also available. The registration form is also available. So many upper, right panel links or menu item links are also available here. But I don't want to generate the page object for the entire page, because unnecessary garbage locators also available, garbage elements also available that I don't want to interact with that, right? This is the most important thing. I want the page objects only for the few fields. So generally what happens, other tools, what they do, they just give you the 50, 70 locators. Okay, this is the page object model and page object class, okay, or any whatever the page object file that it will give it to you, and then you have to refactor it after that. You have to keep removing it or adding it. Okay, some locator is missing or maybe extra locators are coming. Then it's like kind of like a lot of work you have to do it. It's quite frustrating. So I don't like this thing, because I personally believe that I will decide which locator I really want to add in my page object. This is what the need of the hour. This is what everyone has to work with like that. So for example, let's say I'm going to inspect this particular first name. Okay, and then there is a plus icon. I want to add with this locator strategy, like with the get by role, I really want to add it. So click on plus icon over here, and you see that it's giving a message, added the page locator, and this is the page locator cart. The sign is 1 here. Then again, let's say I really want to enter last name. So for last name, I'll say get by label I want to enter. Again, click on plus, a message is coming, added to the page, and your cart items is 2 now. Then let's see, I try to inspect something else. So let's see, email also I try to inspect. So for email, let's say I really want to use the ID. So click on this. So ID also got added over here. So cart is 3 now, right? And then let's say I really want to inspect, let's see, registration or login link also. So again, I'll say, let's see, get by role. So get by role is also added here. Let's say I really want to add the page locator for the search also. So let's see, for the search this time, let's see, I'm going to add, let's see, get by placeholder. And then let's try to inspect, let's see, this particular image also. So let's see, for image, whatever, let's see, if you really want to use a get by title or get by alt text, that also you can use it. So see, the cart size is 6 now. Let's try to inspect, let's see, one more. For example, let's see this continue button. So for this continue button, what exactly you want to use? For continue button, let's see, I really want to use one XPath or CSS, or let's try to use, let's see, privacy checkbox also, this checkbox. So see that, let's use it over here as well. You can use the CSS also or XPath also. Let's use the XPath also if you really want to use. Fine. So the cart size is 8 now. So now you click on this page object cart, and then you will see the complete picture. You see that complete picture over here. Okay, that 8 elements that you have added. If you really want to remove unnecessary elements, you can remove it. For example, let's say I really want to remove this guy. It's not needed, right? You can select all also, deselect all also, that also you can easily do that here. You can clear all also, that okay, I want to generate the page object one more time. You can remove all these elements by using the clear all, right? After that, which framework and the language combination that you really want to use. You really want to generate the page object for the Playwright, TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, Selenium, Java, Python, and then additionally we have given Cypress, WebDriver, IO, and the robot framework as well. So it will automatically generate. See this, we actually captured the locators for the Playwright, but if I really want to generate the locator for the WebDriver, IO, or the Cypress, or the robot, or Selenium also, I can do that. I'll show you. So, but right now, let's say I really want to generate for the Playwright with the TypeScript, whatever the page name that you really want to give. So let's say I'll say this is the registration page. Okay, I want to generate the TypeScript. You can download the file also, or you can copy the clipboard also. So let's say I simple copy to clipboard, and then again come back to your subline. Or let's say this is your Visual Studio Code or whatever, and then paste it over here. And you see that the perfect page locator, the same way that we use it, the same class, automatically import is coming. This is the way we use, because page object is what? The classic example of encapsulation. All the read-only methods, I mean locators that we have defined, one constructor is already defined, and all these page actions with the async and promises await that we have used over here. So this will save your time, right? So what I'm trying to explain here, that I want to interact on the registration page only with the 8 elements. So only 8 page locators I really want to generate. Only 8 page elements I want to generate. I don't want unnecessary garbage data here. I don't want, okay, all 50, 60, 100 locators generating, and then I'll just keep removing and then checking it over here. No, this is a minimal amount of work. Almost like 99.99% things are already done here. If you really want to change the variable name, if you want, you can change it. But we have given very meaningful name with the proper camel cases that we are following here. You can easily use it here like that, right? Now let's see, for example, if I really want to generate TypeScript with the Python. So again, copy to clipboard, and let's see this with the Python, how exactly it will be displayed. See this with the Python, it is showing me here like that. The Python based locators are coming here, right? Let's see, now I really want to generate with the something else. So for example, let's say I really want to generate with Selenium with Java. Again, copy to clipboard, and then coming back here, and then you see that. So Selenium with Java, we use what? @find by driver factory, page factory, we can use it. Or maybe I can add by locator feature also, like by locator you generate and public methods. So you see that classic example of encapsulation, small things that I have thought a lot, and then using it here, that okay, all the locators will be private in nature. All the method will use these private variables in the public page actions. Classic example of encapsulation. We are using it here along with the click and .click .send keys, whatever you want to use, coming here. So it is like the most time taking part in the framework is the page object model. Right, this is like, okay, fine, who will design this page? It's so boring, right? We really want to write the logic. We don't want to generate this, locators based thing, wasting our time. I know that, okay, this thing is very much needed, that okay, no, what about my learning and everything? What if you know the learning very well, your learning is really good about the locators, but still you want to save your time? The productivity is very important. If you really want to generate these locators through AI also, trust me, AI will not give you more than 60-70% accuracy for any kind of tool. They will do some mistakes. Today it's working, tomorrow there is no guarantee, or in fact after 10 minutes also there is no guarantee it will give you the right locators or not, because AI is very, very fragile. You cannot trust blindly, but here you can trust it. At least, I'm not saying 100%, at least 99% things will give you the, with the proper accuracy, with the proper right locators, the way we work in the real-time projects. Because this is what I personally believe, that whatever the experience that I'm having it from last 10-15 years in the training and everything in automation, that I really want to focus on the whatever the real-time things. That's very, very important over here. That's why this tool is totally different from others. Now, see this amazing thing. Let's see now. We captured the locators with Playwright. We generated with Selenium or other languages also. Naveen, what about Cypress? See this, although Cypress, I have not captured for the Cypress, but still you can just download the file with the Cypress also, or let's see, copy to clipboard. And then see this, now the Cypress based locators are coming here. In the Cypress, this is what we write, get method and everything. And then see this cy.get, can you see that is giving me here. Same thing, let's see, I really want to generate with the robot framework. People who are working in the robot framework, it's guys very time saver. See this robot framework, copy to clipboard, and then see this, what exactly it will do here. Full robot framework file is coming here. This is a .rb file. See this library, Selenium library and all those things, it's absolutely working fine here. And then automatically keywords, variable names, actions, it's generating, and then start using it. Right now, you just need to focus only on your test cases, only on your business logic. Obviously, this tool cannot write the business logic. You are the right person that what exactly the logic you really want to test and everything. But the locator wise is giving you, the page object file is giving you a very good result with the perfect accuracy here, right? So you can start using it. Okay, so just simply use it and then let me know how exactly you find it. Second thing is, okay, now you know what I mean, that I don't want to use this thing. I want to, let's see, some locators are not coming here, which is fine. What if I really want to open the Chrome DevTools? Yes, of course you can do it. Simple click on, this is the icon that we have given for the open DevTools. Click on it, and then the open Chrome DevTools will be visible over here. You can inspect your element. You want to write your XPath and everything, the proper way that we always use it, the typical way of writing the locators, XPath and everything, that also you can use it here. You can inspect the element directly from here. See that I'm inspecting it. And then after that, whatever the locator that you want to generate, it will just simple coming back over here. Sorry, I just closed it. Okay, so that also you can just simple use it here. See, this is the one. Okay, see this, I inspected this, and you can write the locator, XPath and everything here as well. Okay, if you don't want to use it, simple close it, and then simple use it here like that. Okay, multiple tabs selection also you can do that. What if I really want to inspect the elements from here in this website? Yes, you can do that. And then I change to register account. Again, I can do that. Any tab you can select, Selenium or Playwright. You can use it. We have the dark theme or the light theme also. If you really want to work with the dark theme, light theme, that also available here. Okay, by default, it's a light theme. You can click on it for the dark theme as well. Later on, we will add more and more features, just like we are having in the Chrome extension, maybe debugging and all those things. That also we can just simple add it here. Okay, so start using it. You can just simple change the size of this panel and you can use it like this. See, it's so beautifully written, very properly placed. All the locators are coming, like varieties of locators are coming here. So not only for, I told you again, I repeat one more time, not only for your locator generation, but for your learning as well. Because whenever you learn any tool, especially with Selenium Playwright, locator is the main game here, right? So that's why you can easily start using it like this. So I hope you will love this feature also, love the desktop app also here. Same thing with the Windows machine also, guys. If you really want to see the Windows machine, okay, so we can do that as well. I just want to confirm that the screen and everything is visible properly. Someone is saying not able to see the screen. I don't think so. Akula and all those things. Can you confirm? All good, right? Say yes or no, because I'm not able to see the chat at the same time. Okay, great. Thank you, Vikas. Okay, so now what I show you, same thing on the Windows. Okay, so what will you do here on the Windows? Windows is here. Okay, so simple download. See, I'm running my VM on the Windows, and what you just need to do, this is my Windows Windows machine. You see that, okay? And simple download for the Windows as well. So let's try to download for the Windows. Click on download for Windows. This is what I want, that no need to worry about it. See, it says, it's a simple say, it's okay, it's not compatible download. Make sure you trust LocatorLabs. So simple give the trust over here, keep it here. Okay, and then simple keep it here, keep anyway. Because there is a window protection is running. Though every .exe file, you must have seen those things when we download, we used to download Chrome driver.exe and all those things. Same warning message we used to get. Same thing for the any .exe file, Windows will tell you something like this. Once it's downloaded, after that, there is no worry about it. You see that, okay, open the file. So see that I'm just going to open the file. It's actually available in my desktop downloads folder in the Windows. See this. This is a file that we have downloaded, .exe file. Double click on it and that's it. No login, nothing. No private information, no registration, nothing. Okay. You can use anyone for this computer or for all the users or only for this user. You can use it for anyone. Click on next and click on install. It will be installed in your C user administrator app data local, whatever this. Later on, if you want to uninstall also, you can uninstall it. So I'm just going to install it. See, it's pretty simple. Within few seconds, it will be installed. And then after that, you can launch it here. Actually, I'm using the AWS VM machine on the cloud. Actually, I taken because I don't have any Windows machine with me. So I've taken one machine from the cloud. So that's why it's slightly slow. Machine is itself is slightly slow. It's on the cloud. And it says run the Locator Labs and click on finish. Now see that the Locator Labs will be launched in the Windows machine as well here. So this is the Locator Labs. And then after that, whatever you want to do with this, you can just inspect it. Any application you can use, any tab you want to open, anything that you want to use it over here, you can use it here. See, let me check the google.com. I'm just going to enter. And yes, Locator Labs by default is coming here. You can start inspecting the elements, documentation. See, it's coming here. You can inspect that. Yes, it's absolutely working fine here. All features are same here. Windows obviously having a different look and feel. Icon and everything is same, but the look and feel in the Windows itself, it's like slightly different as compared to the Mac machines. Okay, same locators. Also, you can see the page objects. Also, you can see the dark theme and the light theme. Also, you can just simply go and check it here. See this, for example, I'm just going to click on plus icon, and the locator got added in the page object. After that, whatever the name and whatever the framework selection that you really want to use, you can use it here and then download the file here, right? So for example, let's use it. This is my registration page, RP, TypeScript, download the file. Okay, and then the file will be downloaded over here. You see that, okay, where exactly you want to download. Let's see here as a all file you selected, and then let's click on save here. It will be saved as a rp.ts file here. I'm not sure in the okay, so you see that RP file is available, and then you can start using it, right? Okay, so same thing with the Windows also. You can just go and check it here. Okay, so this is what, guys, we have created. Let me know if you like it, download it, and then start using it. There is no like issue with that. Perfect. Okay, so any question in this? Any question, any concerns, anything that, okay, that Naveen, that I want to use this feature, but it's not working, or I really want to add this feature in the future also, or any question about the Locator Labs or anything. I'm not saying, okay, the Chrome extension will not be there. It is there. That is the main thing. This app is for everyone. So this is the main pain point that, Naveen, I'm not able to download the Chrome extension. This is like with every extension, that's the problem, right? So we thought of, okay, why don't we give something good to the community so that people can learn, people can use it, and then people can actually use it in the corporate environment or with the real-time projects. Otherwise, it's just wasted of time. You're using for the some dummy projects or some here and there, some basic stuff. If you're doing it, then what is the use of that if you're not able to use that specific tool or the features in the production? So that's why we thought of coming with this approach or with this solution as well. Okay, so later on we will keep adding more and more features to it as well, guys. Okay, great. So this is what I really want to show. Let me know if you have any questions. You can just download it. Plus, I'll show you the official GitHub page also for this. You can just simply go and check it over here as well. So you all GitHub releases. What other features are available? See, it's very first release. All the features are available over here. You can go and check it. You can directly download from here as well. See .dmg, .exe, and this is for the Linux. And Linux is for the .app image. All these are electron apps. And you can just simply give some emojis also if you really want to give, and ranking everything here. And very, very lightweight, guys. It's not like, okay, it will be downloaded in the GB or something, like 100 to 200 MB. Within that, it will be done. Mac DMG file is always lengthy, so it's around 166. For Linux, around 100, and then 78 MB for the exe on the Windows here. Okay, this is the minimum system requirement, 10.13 high version that you're using it, or Windows 10 or later if you're using it, that will be good. And these are the features are available. Later on, whenever the new feature is available, you can come and you can check, okay, what are the new features are available. Perfect. This is a README file. You can go through all the features and everything. I will try to add more things here so that more proper documentation, you can go and check it here. Any questions, FAQs are available. Anything you want to ask, you can just mail me, you can ping me anytime. I'll share my email ID also for the feedback. Then this is my official email ID. If you want to share, you can just share any queries or any feedback. If you really want to contribute for this app, feel free to contact me, guys. This is for you guys. This is for the community, not for me. The intention is not about to make any commercials for this. Absolutely free of cost. Trust me, you take my words. It will always be free of cost for you guys. Okay, so this is the official thing. I hope you can see that. This is the official GitHub page. I'll share the link also in the official GitHub page, and you can just simply go to one tag and releases page. So all the releases are available here, and you can download from here also directly .dmg, .exe app image also from here. Perfect. Okay, great. Any data price? I didn't get it. Any data privacy or something? No, absolutely. It's your app available in your local. After that, see, first of all, try to understand that either it is Chrome extension or this app. There is no backend involved. There is no server. There is no like LocatorLabs server, and we are consuming your email ID, password, or something like that, or your cookies, or your sessions, or your token, or anything. Nothing. Once you download, it's your app. It's in your system. It's in your local. There is no connection with anything here. Okay, so there is no concept of any kind of privacy or anything here. Okay, I'll show you. If you like, let's say someone is asking your IT team or admin team, they ask, okay, tell me their privacy policies. So see this, we have clearly written over here. Okay, your privacy is our priority. And what we don't collect, no personal information, no users analytics, no data sent to the server. In fact, we don't have any server also, no browsing history, no cookies or tracking, no third-party integration, nothing. Purely Chrome extension and the app. It's up to you which one you want to use. Zero data collection, no telemetry, analytics, or user tracking, no external server calls. 100% offline after the installation, clearly written here. Okay, no data leaves your device, no third-party dependencies, nothing. Local processing only, just using the Chrome extension using the DOM APIs and everything, and then minimal permission is required. Let's say I really want to download, or maybe internet, and that's it. Obviously, without internet, how will you open the application, right? And this is a support email. If you want to give any suggestion or any feedback, or your IT team, they want any confirmation from our side or something, you can just write the email to us, and then we will give the proper documentation or anything that you want to get from our side. We will share it with you guys. Okay, so this is the privacy policy. You can just simply show that. Yeah. Okay, so any other thing, any question in this? All good? Vikas saying great tool. Thank you, Vikas. Akula saying amazing. Yeah, thanks, Akula. You guys start using it and share the feedback. Okay, not able to see the screen. I think it's fine now. Great, thank you. Thank you, Sandhya. Okay, so I'll share all the links and everything. Simple, go to locator-labs.com right away and then download it from there. Click on download, and then you can download according to your operating system and then start using it, guys. And please give us good star rating on the GitHub. Okay, there is no extension, but you can give the star rating over here. Okay, 3-star or 4-star, whatever the star rating you can give it. So more and more star, it will be given to more people. So that is a good for us and for our motivation also. Please do that. And for every release also, you can give some emojis. You can show your love by sending some emojis over here like this. You can just send it to us like that. Okay, perfect then. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. That's all for this video. And lazy loading elements can be inspected. Yes, Sabula, you can inspect that. Why not? In the Chrome extension also, and here as well, you can do that. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Thank you so much.